Hey art nerds! Today I'm going to show you how to make a watercolor dot sheet. These are really handy if you have two watercolors and you don't want to take something bulky with you on a trip, or if you want to send a friend some watercolors. I'm going to be sending my friend Kabocha two different watercolor dot cards. One with my Holbein 18 color set and the other with my Magello 24 color set. So I will go ahead and demonstrate for you guys how to do it, and it is super simple. And this can only be done, to my knowledge, with two watercolors. With other colors, like pan watercolors, I just wouldn't know how to do this without sending them the whole pan. But what you do is we've got 18 colors, so probably, 3 rows of 6 maybe? Put a sufficiently sized dot. You're going to want to leave room to write the name of the color, but you're going to want to write that either at the end or as you go through. So that is white. And you're going to want to let it dry all the way out completely, and then you're going to want to put it in a bag. So I am going to do 3 rows of 6 and then check in with you guys. So I'm about halfway done with this dot sheet. I realized I wouldn't be able to get 3 rows of 6, so I'm doing 2 rows of 9. And I am doing this on 140-pound watercolor paper. This is just inexpensive watercolor paper, so this is fluid cold pressed watercolor paper. It's got enough texture to hold the dots on, because I've tried doing this on Yubo before and that didn't really work out super well. But it isn't a delicate paper, and it's not like I'm wasting expensive cotton rag paper sending something like this, because the point isn't to paint onto this. The point is to use some of the paint from these dots to either test out or paint an illustration. So I have all 18 dots on the paper labeled and accounted for. The next thing I need to do is let this dry out completely before I can put it in a bag and ship it off. So my paint dots have had a chance to dry overnight. I'm going to label which brand they are. And these are the Holbeins. And then I'm going to pop them in a plastic bag. It doesn't have to be an archival plastic bag. Sheet protectors work great for this. I just don't happen to know where mine are at the moment. But I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and send it off in the mail. And the plastic bag will help protect the paint from getting all over everything or from falling off the paper, just in case. And this is a really great way, if you have a watercolor collection, or if you're working on a watercolor collection, this is a really great way to exchange paints with friends, to try out new colors very cheaply, and to just kind of make the most of your collection. So I really encourage you guys to exchange paint dots with somebody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys!